Hi everyone. Hopefully your preparation is going well. This is the LR set that we are going to try in today's episode. This set was discussed in our workshop. In the solution, you will find me solving the set for the first time. Whatever thoughts came in my mind, I spoke it out aloud so that it helps aspirants to understand how I am comprehending the set. If you have tried the set, then go ahead and watch the solutions and discussion related to it, which will be starting right away. And if you have not tried it, we'll recommend you to try it once before you watch the solutions. You have this combination graph in which couple of pie chart has been presented. The first pie chart is showing you the product wise distribution of the total profit earned by whoever this is. So there are six products, right? A, B, C, D, E, F. I hope everybody has read the premise. So pie chart one is showing the product wise distribution of the total profit. So this is the profit wala pie chart. So profit share is mentioned here. And the second pie chart is indicating the product wise share of the total revenue. So this is the revenue share, right, of the six products. So that has been mentioned. Now, notice this point. This is the one which combines these two pie charts. So what it says is profit percentage is the profit expressed as percentage of the revenue, right? Now, understand this idea. I think in our lessons also in a lot of different sets we have explained this idea. So if you consider the profit percentage of a random company X, so X could be any one of these A, B, C, D, E, F, that is ideally what? The profit of X out of the revenue of X as expressed as a percentage, right? So this fraction will be the profit percentage of this X. Now the profit of X, so this value is nothing but the profit share of X. When I say profit share, I mean whatever is the percentage here in the first pie chart multiplied to. So let me put a dot for this so that you don't confuse with this X. So profit share of X out of the total profit for all the six products combined, isn't it? And this revenue of X will be revenue share of X, again the percentage in this pie chart, out in multiplied to the total revenue of all the six products combined, right? So always we can break this up into these two things. I mean, we can visualize this as this fraction into this fraction. And the interesting thing is this total profit by total revenue. This thing is constant, right, for all of the six products. So it doesn't matter. I mean, it's all the six products combined any which way. So this fraction will be constant for A, B, C, D, E, F, all of them, right? Just this part will change, and accordingly the profit percentage should change. So this is what we are looking for. Let me first take these things off. Okay, this I did not have. Let me quickly go into the question. I don't need to do anything more because this much analysis is enough for this question. Now look at this question. So question number 6 is asking for if the profit percentage on the product A is 1/3, then what is the overall profit percentage of the dealer? So what it says is profit percentage of A is 1/3, right? And that is equal to, by the way, profit share and revenue share of A. Just calculate this first. So A is I think the first one, right? The blue one, yeah. So for A, we have this 15% and 18%. So this part will be 15 by 18. That reduces to what? 5/6. And this multiplied to total profit out of total revenue. But this is the question, right? We are looking for the overall profit percentage, and overall profit percentage is this fraction. So what will this fraction be? This will be 6/5 into 1/3, which is nothing but 2/5 or 40%. So option D should be the answer. So I hope you can understand. I mean, this idea will be useful in all of the questions actually. I mean, most of the questions of these types, any set of this type, that is. So that is for this question. Let me move to the next one. Yeah, this is looking for for which product is the profit percentage the least. Now again, notice this. This is what I mentioned initially. It's not cannot be determined. I mean, we can determine this first of all. So cannot be determined is a silly option here. Now, because we had this cannot be determined, it simplifies my effort in this question a little bit. Because now all I have to test is ABD. I don't have to test for the other three products at all. But the point is, this part, this total profit by total revenue is constant for all the products, right? So all I have to compare is whichever product has highest this fraction. So the profit share by revenue share. So this fraction is highest for which of the products. So all of them I don't have to test because cannot be determined is silly any which way. So let's test for A, B, and D. So for A, we have, I think we calculated this a while back. So this is 5 by 6. For B, this is 15 by 20. So that is 3 by 4. And for D, D is the fourth one. So that is 4 by 5, right? So out of these, what are we looking for? Highest, lowest, lowest. So lowest is this B. So that is 3 by 4. You can treat this a percentage idea or ratio comparison, whichever is preferable to you. Is 75%, is 80%, is 83.33%. So obviously B is the lowest one, right? Okay, this is the other way around. So this tells us the overall profit percentage is 40%. So this thing is, sorry, this thing is 40%, right? So this fraction is 2 by 5 or something. Then what is the profit percentage on product D? So all I have to do is collect this from the pie chart and put this as 2 by 5 and I'll get the answer. Or I can leave it as 40% also, because we are looking for the percentage answer only, right? We have to input the percentage numeric value in the theta box. So this is 40%. So let me keep that as 40 only. This is PS of D. So that is how much pie chart one. So 4 by 5, right? So 20 by 25. So that is 4 by 5 of this 40. So that is 32. So the answer should be 32 here. So you have to input 32 here. And by the way, this bracket thing I've mentioned explicitly. In CAT, typically it would not be mentioned. It will simply ask for what is the profit percentage. You have to input 32 as the answer. Don't input 0.32 or something like that until unless it's explicitly mentioned like that. What is the ratio of profit percentage of C to the profit percentage of E? Same argument. So for profit percentage of C, whatever is this part, profit percentage of E also, this part is same, right? So I don't have to compare that. All I have to do is, so let me explain this a little bit visually. So for C, we have this part as, what is this, 18 by 15. So I'm reducing that to 6 by 5 into the total profit percentage, right? So whatever is the total profit percentage of the company, this thing. And for E, we have, what is this? 1 second. E is the fifth. So this one, right? 12 by 10. So that is 6 by 5 again. Okay, so this will be 1:1, right? So we have 6 by 5 of 20, whatever is this percentage, and 6 by 5 of whatever is this percentage. So this is same. So when I divide this by this, it will cancel out. So we have 1:1, right? So pretty straightforward question again. If the dealer started selling a new product G in the year 2021, due to its revenue share of each of the first 6 products reduces by 20%, then what is the revenue share of G in 2021, right? So what it says, let me read this again. So selling a new product G due to which the revenue. Oh, okay. So what is happening is, so because of this 7th product being introduced, for each of the A, B, C, D, F, all of these, the revenue share, no, not the revenue, the revenue share is reducing by 20%, right? So for example, A had a revenue share of 18%. So on this thing, it will be 18% into 0.8, right? It will reduce by 20%. B, it will be 20%. It was 20%. So it will be 20% into 0.8 in 2021. So all of these, that is what is happening, right? So for F, we had 12% in the previous year. So this becomes, so think about it. I mean, this total thing that we had for A to F, I don't have to calculate that, right? Because this net total was anyhow 100% in the previous year, because that is how the share thing works, right? So 100% into 0.8 if I do, so that gives me 80% for A to F combined. So for A to F combined in the year 2021, we have a revenue share of 80%. So whatever is remaining is for G. So that should be 20% again. So option A should be the answer for this one. Thank you for watching us on YouTube. Hope you liked the video. For more such content, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for notifications. Do like the video and share it among your friends. Also leave a comment below for the video. As I mentioned at the start of the video, these questions were discussed in our live workshops. To watch more of these workshops, you'll have the option to take a free trial. Simply visit our website, select the live workshops from our courses, and enroll for a trial. Also check the plethora of options we provide for CAT, GMAT, and other management entrance test preparation at Mathoratory. We strongly believe in providing flexibility and convenience to students as per the requirements. You will have an option to either take a full course or learn exactly what you need to. For instance, if you plan to prepare one-to-one live with mentor, you can book sessions for only doubt clearing or even just for analyzing your mocks. Even for CAT preparation, if you don't need the one-to-one guidance, the mocks, the mock analysis, the workshops, or the GDPI, which are actually included in the comprehensive course, and you just want to train for specific topics of your choice, then simply select a capsule from these numerous options which are available to you. It will cover everything from basics to all variations and applications of the topic under study. Take a trial or book a demo with us and select the course which best suits your needs. Thank you for joining in and have a pleasant preparation ahead.